Hello, Jessica Frost Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Earlier this week I shared a moody autumn card, and today I'm sharing something a little cheerier using some new and old products from Honeybee Stamps. So let's get started. First, I blend the background for my card using Distress Oxide inks in dried marigold, abandoned coral, and seedless preserves. I love using rich warm colors for autumn skies. This one is a little brighter than my other card this week, but still gives off those great fall vibes. Next, I die cut the Birch coverplate layer dies from Kraft Cardstock. I took the full Birch panel and just trimmed out some of the trees to leave the middle open for my sentiment. If you only have one of the Birch layer dies, you can always flip it to get two different looking layers. I stamped images from Better Together with VersaFine and heat embossed them with clear embossing powder before coloring them with Copic markers. Like my card earlier this week, I also matched my Copics to my background for a more cohesive look. The scarves and hats match Seedless preserves, the pumpkins match dried marigold, and you can see the same tint of abandoned coral in their ears. It's a little touch, but I think it makes a big difference. Once I was done coloring, I die cut the images with the coordinating dies. Next, I arranged my scene on the blended panel and made sure there was room for the sentiment from Sweater Weather. I stamped the sentiment with VersaFine and heat embossed it with clear embossing powder. It's one of my favorite quotes from Anne of Green Gables, and I'm so glad it's included in the Sweater Weather sentiment set. Off camera, I die cut a hill from the Horizon Slimline border dies from Kraft Cardstock and sandwiched it between the two Birch layers. I adhered those to the blended panel and then added the rest of the images to finish the card. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!